Weld smarter. Orbimax. Connect the smart and simple so you can get on with the job ahead and weld like a pro. Introducing the Orbimax AX series of industrial-grade stick welders. The ultimate lightweight stick welder ready for the workshop or the worksite. The AX 230 digital control panel lets you adjust the amps with ease. For more complicated welds, the manual selection tool lets you make quick adjustments to your welding presets, such as the hot start welding current and time, arc force, pulse, and hyperpulse settings. Hot start assists with getting the weld pool started, making the stick welding process easier. Automatic arc force is also available on the AX 150, with a fully adjustable version available on the AX 230. Arc force is designed to stabilize the arc, even with an extreme short arc, giving you the perfect weld. Soft arc lets you create a stable arc for electrodes where a low welding current is required. On the AX 230, step up your welding game with a fully digital control panel, allowing you to override existing settings with a click of a button. Lightweight and portable with an incredible power-to-weight ratio, the AX series uses the ultra-fast, low-induction inverter, saving energy and suitable for use with generators, weighing only 2.3 kilograms for the AX 150 and 6.7 kilograms for the AX 230. Built tough and ready to use anywhere. Weld smarter with the Orbimax AX series stick welders. Weld smarter with Orbimax.